How to turn off location permission access on apps to save battery life. This is a Xiaomi phone with Android 14 Hyper OS. And this will help you save battery life by turning off permission for location on apps that you don't need to have location enabled. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you need to do from this part here, as you are viewing this screen here, use the quick access, tap on the settings toggle right there. Then you will use the search settings here and type in the words location or app location permission, okay? You can go ahead and type that in right there, what you see there, type that in, and as you see it, tap on it, and you'll be taken to right in this section here. So while you're here, you'll see where it says allowed all the time, and the apps that are listed under that basically means these apps will have location permission access and constantly be searching for your location under those apps that have permission access granted to location settings. So for example, if you tap on the Google one, which is a default setting, and I'm just showing you how to go about disabling that. So it will say allow all the time, and you want to set it to don't allow. So if you have apps that currently are under the always allow location permission access, and that app doesn't need to have location access, you'll come here, look for those apps and don't allow it. And that's going to save you some battery life just by doing that. And you can come back into the not allowed section later on and re-enable them for you. You also have the part that says allowed only while used in apps or using apps. And if you want, you can have the apps set into that section so that only while you are in that app, it will be using your location at the moment. And you can also disable it if they are under that section. And you can also come back and change these settings at any given time. Like and sub.